Good afternoon, good morning, whatever, whenever you're watching this. If you're watching it live, we thank you. If you're watching it on a video, that's great too. My name is Ken Kelsey. I've been helping businesses and nonprofits with our marketing and promotional needs for over 4 decades now. So, what I want to talk today about is name and image calendars. So, what is a name and image calendar? Well, a name and image calendar is a calendar where the whoops, wrong one. Where the each image in the calendar has the name of the person receiving the image, receiving the calendar. So this calendar has Brandon Sawyer on it. So name and image calendars come in all sizes and shapes, both uh, both desk calendars and wall calendars. So how do you order a name and image calendar? Well, it's really easy. This is my description. Name and image personalized calendars have a person's name inserted into the monthly image in a unique and innovative way. You supply your Excel template of names, and we will create a memorable individual calendar for every recipient in your list with their name shown in each of the 12 monthly calendars. To order, you go to our website, you select a standard image set or the 12 images from the full library. You specify a starting month. Calendar will be for 12 months, no extra charge. You enter the names into your Excel template, and we'll talk about these things later. You send us your vectored image of your logo, and you set or the copy you want on the calendar, and then you email your order to us at sales@KelseyPromo.com and call us with your credit card details. So it's a simple process. So what are the names template? Well, the names template is an Excel template that has columns in it. So you have a record number. Now, the record number is very important because it goes on the front of the calendar and it helps us identify to make sure that we've got all your calendars printed. So it's a very, very tiny number, but it helps us. And if a calendar was missed, we can look it up by the item number, the record number. And then there's a last name, first name, and last name. First name, if you're only going to do first names only, then you don't need any of the rest of these columns. If you're going to do a first and last name in some of the images, then that's what you fill in. The company name, address, and information only goes in if we're going to mail the calendars for you. We do full fulfillment, and we can mail the calendars to you. And then the birthday month number at the end. And we'll talk about that later. So, what are the standard images? Well, there are 12 different image sets of 12 images each. The All Stars 1, 2, 3, 4, the Retro, the Scarlet, which has a red and just it's black and white, but red highlighted somewhere in the image, and then Scarlet, and then Emerald the same way, and then sets 15, 16, 17, and 18. So that's your standard sets. And then if you want to have really something special, you go and do custom images. Here's a couple. Linamar was doing an outing for their managers, and so they created that first one and put the name in there. And the second one is one of the lifts that they sell, and it's kind of hard to see, but below where the man is standing is the name of the person that's getting that calendar. So it's very, very interesting. So Next question is, how many images are available in the library? Well, there are over 550 images that you can choose from. If you don't wish to take one of the sets, the standard sets, well, then what you can do is uh, you can choose 12 different images, or you can add some custom images like we just showed you. Yeah, yes, you can use your own images, and I just showed you that. So, what is the birthday option? Well, the birthday option is kind of unique. Is if you know the birthday month of your clients or recipients, you can put in the number of that month in the Excel sheet as I showed you, and then on that month, the normal picture or image will disappear, and this image will appear instead. So it comes with a really nice birthday cake and then the first name of the person that's getting it. Can I change the background colors on the two calendars with a black background? Well, yes, we can. We can do a lot of things. And this is one of the really unique things that can customize your images. Here's the two black calendars. We've done calendars for a company that they're it's a large insurance company in the US, and they have a special blue. And so we put that special blue on there instead of the black. Can I add extra months or pages? Oh, yes, you can. Uh, the you can add extra pages. It's like a cover. You've got your cover. You can customize the cover, and we'll talk about that. But you've got also the extra pages. You can slip a page in the middle of the calendar if you wanted, and offer some specials at that. Maybe at the end of September, offer some Christmas specials in the calendar. We can also do a back cover, a full back cover. And one of our customers had a retreat, and they put all of the people that were coming to the retreat, their names on the back of the cover. So Jennifer asked, you can select the starting month. Yes, you can start any month you want, and it goes to the so you can start in September and it goes to the next July. You can start in February and it goes to the next January. Thanks for that question, Jennifer. For our Canadian customers, yes, we do have Canadian holidays on the calendar, and the Canadian holidays uh, in Canada, a lot of the provinces have holidays of their own. So we've chosen a standard stock number of holidays, and that's what we show on the calendar. Then, do you have optional front covers? Oh, of course we do. Oh, wait, one's missing here. Can I add a personal message in 1 month? Well, this really gets customized and uses using variable data, but in February in Canada, the month is called Family Month. And so for this customer, we did a calendar and it says enjoy family February, and then it listed a spouse and children's names. And each one, of course, was personalized to the person that was getting that calendar. We have another question is optional front covers. Well, optional, here's what the standard cover looks like. This has got this rubber stamp type image. Of course, your logo, it goes on it. And then it says made specially for and the name of the person. And then in the lower corner, you can't even see it. It'd be a little tiny, tiny number. And that's the number on the Excel sheet. So this is the standard, no extra cost for this. But if you wanted to do something special, we've got 16 covers that you can use. So here are the first 8 covers that can be used. There's a $20 charge to substitute one of these covers. And there's the other 8 covers. And then of course you can create your own special cover, and the special cover is $80 and you send us the artwork for that special cover. So these are some of the kinds of things that come up in the process of selling calendars, and lots of different things. We can do variable data on the front cover, which means you could say, "Hi, John, we noticed your last order was in February, or maybe your birthday is in March. Uh, would you like to do something for that?" We can specify it for any type of data. This is one of our most special things that we offer, um, is our OOPS policy. The OOPS policy is this. Right now, we're going to suggest that you get your calendars early this year because freight is going to be delayed, and also there's going to be extra charges on freight in November and December. So you might as well get your order in now. But you say, well, what if I get new customers after that I want to send to them? So here's the thing. Order your 50 minimum calendars or 100 or 500 calendars now. We'll send them to you and you can start getting them out. And then maybe in the 1st of December, you go back and you look, okay, who did I miss? Or who do I want to add at this time? The OOPS policy is you can order as many extra calendars as you want, minimum of 12, and it's at the same per calendar price at the at that we or the order was sold at, and there are no extra charges, no extra setup charges. So that's our OOPS policy. So order calendars now, get them all in, and then decide the first week in December, who did I miss or who do I want to add? And then send that order in. And some customers do this every year. They get the calendars early, get the majority of them out, and then they get to the OOPS order and send them into us in December. So basically, that's our calendars. That's the type of things that we work on a daily basis. We help customers find the right solution for their marketing problems, and the name and image calendars are really, really good for this. So my name is Ken Kelsey, creating marketing excellence through people to people promotions. Thank you, and I'll see you again.